I have a Luxpro pspa711a thermostat that is blinking fan in cool mode.
Where in your home is your Luxpro thermostat installed? How old is it?
Installed by the door on the wall, and I'm not sure how old. I live in an apartment, it's older. I googled it and I think it's somehow set to gas, not electric, but I don't know how to change that.
The HVAC technician can walk you through this. I'll connect you shortly. How long has this been going on with your Luxpro thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Almost 2 days, but I'm not feeling well, so I can't have a tech come look, unfortunately. It started when I replaced the batteries. I tried resetting it, and changing the fan mode. Turning off and on again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope, that's it. Thank you.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Please read my entire reply before responding. Please provide as much information as possible about the situation to help me provide as accurate an answer as possible. Along the way, you will receive an offer for a live phone call for an additional fee. We have some excellent experts who work by phone, and if available, one may be able to work with you by phone. I personally am not set up for accepting phone calls. The offer is optional, and if you choose to work with another expert by phone, that is fine. I will still continue to help here and chat as long as needed with no time limit. Once you accept the offer, you will be billed for the additional service of a live phone call, and I have no control over billing or making other experts call you. So if you do not want to be billed the additional fee, do not accept or ask for a phone call. I am reading over your question to make sure I understand completely what your issue is and what you have done so far. I will reply again shortly. Please stand by.
My thermostat won't produce AC in cool mode. The fan indicator is blinking.
Let's look at the jumpers on the rear of the thermostat circuit board. J7 needs to be set to gas or elect based on your system type. 8.5 gas/electric mode. J7. This setting changes how the system's blower fan, if applicable, is controlled while in heat mode, and with the fan switch in the auto position. This setting does not affect fan operation while in cool mode. When set to gas, the fan is controlled solely by the heating system itself. When set to electric, the fan is controlled directly by the thermostat. Note, if your blower fan does not operate properly after installation, move the gas, electric option to the electric setting.
Okay, it looks like J7 is set to electric. I can try to switch to gas then back to electric maybe.
Is your system all electric?
I believe so. I live in an apartment, so I'm not 100% sure.
We would have to know how to set. Let me ask this. Has the thermostat been working fine with everything as it is and just started acting up?
It had low batteries, so I replaced them, and it's had problems with the flashing fan since. I tried to reset the system a few times to fix it, but nothing.
My next advice was going to be try a hardware reset.
How would I do that?
https://s3.amazon.com/s3.supplyhouse.com/product_files/pspa711install.pdf. Click that link. Then scroll to page 8 and try the hardware and software procedures.
Okay, I did that, and it also told me how to reset J7. I tried that too, just put back on the wall. Needs a few minutes to kick in, fingers crossed.
If you are not ready to rate, please keep replying so we can wrap this up. You have paid for your consultation. I am not paid for my time until you rate. If you stop replying and do not rate, the question will time out and neither of us benefit from the money you spent. Thanks. Remember that you can still follow up for 30 days after rating at no additional fee. You should see 5 stars across top of page for rating. Until you rate, I will get notifications that I need to finish answering the question. Bonus is always appreciated but of course not required. Thanks again.
Thanks, Tim. Appreciate it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.